So this is the Prinroth Panther T14R. And it's in for some maintenance. What are we doing today?
We had an engine oil leak.
Oh, okay.
The engine oil dipstick tube pulled out of the side of the block.
Oh boy.
Which was just kind of a pain in the butt to find. And now it's been repaired and we're putting things back together.
Excellent. Well, it gives me a chance to get a close-up look at this thing here, sitting here. I posted a couple videos on YouTube and people are real interested in looking at this machine as it's rolling by. Pretty cool.
Now, just for safety, you might show them that they do have a safety pin right there in the very back corner to hold that.
Oh, the red thing, yeah.
To hold the pin, the bed up. So
right.
I had to worry about it coming down and squishy.
Safety pin right there.
Now, when I put hoses and stuff back on, people call me crazy, but I use Vaseline.
Oh, to slide them back on.
Well, it's not so much to slide them back on, that helps, but it helps them seal.
It creates a seal too, yeah.
It'll keep dirt out, it lets them seal, and it makes them easier to get back off the next go-round. Because they don't get stuck. So it kind of serves several purposes.
Makes sense to me. Let me get a shot of the cab. Dozer down there running. Here's the panels. All these panels he had to take off to get to the engine. And there it is, the Prinroth Panther T14R. See my other videos of this machine working here in action. All right, talk to you later.